guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys exactly how I clean my brushes. So here you can see I am holding a few of my brushes and they are seriously gross, dirty, and disgusting and in desperate need of some cleaning. In today's video, I will be introducing to you guys the Practk Palmat, which is a product that was brought out by the founders of Sigma Beauty. As you can see here, it is a palm style brush cleaning mat that I have used with the Sigma Sigmagic brush shampoo. Here you can see I have a bar of the Dove unscented soap. This is how I used to wash my brushes before I was introduced to the Practk Palmat. So here you can see I'm demonstrating to you guys exactly how I would clean my brushes using the Dove soap. This was the best way that I could find to clean my brushes that did it well enough for me. However, I found that I was bending over in front of the sink for at least an hour, and by the time I was done completely cleaning all of my brushes, my back was quite sore. So I needed to cut down on my brush cleaning time. Here I'm going to show you two different ways that you can use the Practk Palmat. This is the first way. So holding it on your hand, just applying your brush cleaner to the brush and then circle motions on the palmat itself until all of the soap suds have rinsed out and your brush is completely clean. Once I finish cleaning my brushes, I just shape them to the shape that I want, to the natural shape that they were. Here's the second way that you can use the Practk Palmat. As you can see, there are the small suction cups on the underside of the palmat when you open it up, and then just go ahead and clean your brushes as normal using your brush cleaner. As you can see here, I'm having a bit of a hard time keeping the palmat stationary in the bottom of the sink. It likes to slip and slide around, so I just took it off and put it back together. I prefer to use it on my hand. And here you can see just how clean it got my brush. I'm just using the Sigmagic brush shampoo on one of my blending sponges. I'm not using the Practk Palmat, but I just needed to clean my sponges, so I'm just showing you guys how I clean those as well. I just keep on squeezing it until the soap suds come out and they are clean and free of makeup. Then I just squeeze the excess water out and move on to my next brush. The nice thing with the Palmat is that it is dual-sided. It has different sides for different types of brushing. On the one side, it's the perfect way to wash your smaller brushes. It has the wash section on the top with the more smaller and defined brush cleaning silicone pieces to it, and on the bottom half of that is the refine section. So on the top you wash it, bottom you refine it, and then on the back side, this is the side where you clean your bigger brushes. It has the bigger dimples on it, the bigger bumps, which is good for cleaning your bigger brushes, and then on the bottom of that another refine section just to make sure you've got all of the soap out and your brush is absolutely clean. I've got face brushes, I've got eyeshadow brushes, fluffy blending brushes, flat shader brushes, and stuff like that. This brush, you can see I had blue eyeshadow on it. It was super saturated with eyeshadow. Here you can see I'm using the other side of the Practk Palmat with the bigger bumps on it for this larger brush. This is a blush brush. And this brush came out so clean using the Palmat. And I just shape the bristles how I want it and set it down to dry. This here I'm using the other side of the Palmat again for smaller sized brushes to clean my angled brush that I use to do my brows. And there you go, look how clean it got it, and it was so quick. Also, if you are interested, head over to my website, which is shaunaemily.com. I will have a link down below in the description box, which will take you directly to my How I Clean My Makeup Brushes blog post. If you want to get your hands on your very own Practk Palmat, make sure to also click the link down below in the description box. This brush cleaning tool is so affordable, guys. It's only $9.99. I honestly swear by this brush cleaning palm mat. I can clean all of my brushes in half the time now. It also comes in a couple other colors, so make sure to click on that link down below. It'll take you directly to the site where you can purchase your very own Practk Palmat. Here I have some Lysol disinfecting wipes. This is the next step that I take in cleaning my brushes. You also have to make sure that your handles on your brushes are clean, not just the bristles. So your hands get full of bacteria and that transfers onto your brush handles, so you have to make sure to clean those as well. Lastly, I'm just going to take some Lysol wipes and clean my Practk Palmat itself, front and back, lay it flat to dry, and there we go, guys. That is how I clean my makeup brushes. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to head over to my YouTube homepage, hit that red subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to all of my social media platforms. I have them here listed at the end of the video for you guys, as well as in the description box down below. But that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.